Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to pay cash on delivery on Shein order. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Shein app. And once you open up your Shein app, what you need to do is simply tap on the shop icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. And now here what you need to do is select a product that you want to order. And once you have selected the product, here on the bottom of the screen you'll be seeing an option that says add to cart. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, your selected product will be added to cart. Now what you need to do is simply tap on the cart icon on the top right here, or go back and then tap on the cart icon on the bottom right here. And once you have done with that, all you gotta do now is simply tap on this checkout option. And once you tap on checkout, here you'll be sent to this order confirmation page. Now remember that cash on delivery is only available to India, so if you are outside of that country, then you need to use the shipping method. Now once you have selected the shipping method, select the payment method and then tap on continue payment, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.